Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Spring Whisperer. In today's video we're going to be creating a pair of earrings. So to get started, first take a cardboard, okay? So I've got a cardboard over here. Next I'm going to use a cookie cutter. Okay, so I'm going to just draw an outline or trace the cookie cutter onto this cardboard. Now I've already done one over here. So now next we are going to cut this one, okay? So I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to cut the outline of the cookie cutter. So this is how it will look like once we have cut the cardboard, okay? Now the thing is, this is oval shaped, but I would prefer a teardrop shape for my earrings. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose one end of the oval shaped cardboard, okay, and then just make another line over here. Just draw another line to give it a more rounded base, and I'm just going to cut at that area, okay? So I'm going to do that now. So all I'm going to do is just draw a line just to make that place look more rounded, okay? So I'll show you. Okay, can you see? So I'm just going to cut this area over here, okay? So this is how it will look like once we have cut one end of it, okay? So it's teardrop shaped. Now, keeping that aside, now you get hold of your elbow patch, okay? So all we are going to do is we're going to use this cardboard and I'm going to trace at the back of this elbow patch, okay? And I'm going to cut. So I'm going to do two pieces of teardrop shaped elbow patch, okay? So I'll show you. So all you do is you trace it at the back of the paper just like that, okay, just like that, and then you cut, okay? So you're going to do two copies like that. So this is how it looks like, guys. I've cut two teardrop shaped elbow patch pieces, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to keep one to the side and I'm going to work just on one of the elbow patch, okay? So moving forward, it's quite easy. All you need for this project would be one cabochon and a few crystals, okay? And we are going to paste it onto one of this elbow patch, okay? So I'll show you. Okay, so for this project, the cabochon that I've picked is oval shaped. Okay, so I'll take that for you. Now it's oval shaped. It's got a marble surface and a bit of a rusty pink color to it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Q-tip. I'm going to take the glue, put it at the back of the cabochon, and then I'm going to paste this right in the middle of this elbow patch. Okay. So just like that, okay? I'm going to paste it there and I'm going to let it dry, okay? Probably sit for a few minutes, let it dry nicely, and then I'll move on to fix the crystals around the cabochon, okay? So I'll show you. Okay guys, so once this is dried, that's how it'll look like, okay? So that's how it looks like. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use, I've got some crystals over here, okay? So it's just a white, it's some sparkly beautiful crystals over here. I'm going to use these crystals and I'm going to paste it with the glue around the cabochon, okay? So I've done one previously, so I'll show you. Okay, so that's how it looks like, okay? So you have got your cabochon here in the middle, and then I'm going to use the crystals and go around the cabochon, and I'm going to let it sit and dry, okay? And then we will move on to the next step, okay? Alright guys, so this is how it looks like once the crystals have dried, okay? So I've got the cabochon in the middle and I've got the crystals that surround it. Now when you flip this over, okay, I'm going to use a earring post. I've got a gold color earring post over here, so that's how it looks like, okay? And I'm going to paste it right there. Okay, but the fact is, when you do that, you can actually see, come, I'll show you. You can actually see the flat portion of the post. Now I do not want that to be seen, so for that reason what I'm going to do is I'm going to get hold of the other elbow patch that we have made earlier. So the idea is to take this patch and you're going to paste it at the back of the one that you've done. Okay, so it's going to look like that. So in order for you to do that, you take your post, okay, and you're going to poke a hole into this patch. Okay, so I'll show you. I'll do that. Okay, so right at the edge or the tip of the patch, and then you're just going to poke a hole through. Okay, all right. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so you're going to use this and you're going to paste it onto the other patch that holds the cabochon and the crystals. Okay, so just like that. So I'm going to do that and I'll show you the finished product. And of course this post also comes with a rubber stopper that I've got, and I'll show you. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Okay, I've got a pair of earrings here that I've done. So all you've got to do once it's dried, okay, you just have to place the rubber stopper right at the back, okay, at the post. And that's all. You're done. Okay, so I hope you give this video a try. Now if you do, please let me know how it's turned out in the comment box below. If you do like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support.